It's certainly not always easy to start a new business, and once it gets up and running, you then have to keep it going, and sometimes you need a little help with that. John Holt is president and CEO of Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union. He's here to talk about how Nutmeg is ready to jump in and help the little guys.
Yep.
This is really a segment of the population. We know we need small business, especially for the stagnant economy here, but it kind of can be a segment that's underserved by bigger banks.
Yeah, so this is a segment that we really focus on the smaller businesses. We do things like on the deposit side, there's no minimum balance requirements in a checking account. We don't have any fees. We make it easy. We do typically on the loan side, we do smaller loans. A lot of times some of the bigger banks won't touch the $50, $100, $150,000 line of credits or term loans. So we have a tendency to do that for the smaller businesses. And we do the full gamut of business loans for very similar to what a bank does. So we're here to help those small businesses, and we've just gotten approved to be an SBA lender, which is a government-backed loan that helps small businesses and startups.
So for the small business out there, maybe we have so many moms who come on the show and they start a business in their kitchen that then grows. How do you know when you're at the right stage that you could go get help from a bank? I think sometimes people think like, oh, I'm not going to qualify, or I don't know. How do you know if a bank can help you? It's
a good question, and I think that's where you come in and you talk to us. We'll see what's going on. I know a lot of times it's important to have a business plan, a strategy in place, what you're aiming to do, some forecasts for the new business, and then we can sit down and plan it out with you. A lot of times those types of things, probably an SBA loan would be the best option at that point, but it's always good to come in and talk to your bank or your credit union.
Yes, you are the credit union. And again, just to be clear, you don't have to do anything to become a member. Anyone can become a member of your credit union.
Yeah, and see what we're doing first. I think what the thing we're trying to get across is that Nutmeg State Financial does business loans, and we have business deposit accounts. We're coming out with this app, this customizable app for small businesses. So if you're a small business and you want to be able to have an app to allow people to pay you or set up recurring payments or customize an app or a website, we will help you do all of that. That's going to be a new feature that we have by the end of the year. So there's all these things that businesses, in particular small businesses, need the help and assistance on, and that's what we're here for.
Right, because a lot of times the people who are creating it, they need to worry about the product and creating it, and all this other stuff is going to help streamline that part so they don't have to worry about it.
That's right.
All right, so people can find more information. Thank you so much,
yes,
John.
Thank you.
There is more for the app they've got. You can go to bankingawesome.com.